Bonjour. Today I'm outside in my outdoor kitchen. We are going to do a grilled pork chop with garlic honey glaze and fresh peaches. Okay, so a little bit of honey, okay? You can use any kind of honey you want. I'm using eucalyptus today. Un petit peu de soy sauce. I'm going to chop some garlic. Hop, so I'm going to smash the garlic clove. Make sure chop the garlic really à la minute. Don't use food processor. Why? Because you're losing a lot of flavor, and the garlic is not the same as crunchy. Bon, now we have the honey, soy sauce, chopped garlic. We're going to bring to boil our mixture, okay? So we're going to bring to boil for like a good 5 minutes to cook a little bit the garlic, and then after we're going to add some black pepper. Alors, in the meantime, we're going to take our pork chop. So this pork chop, they're like a 14-ounce pork chop, okay? Nice, thick. Cooking meat on the grill, it's really to have a nice char and crust. And if the meat is too thin, you don't have time to work to build a nice crust because you're going to overcook the meat. Okay, I'm seasoning the chop a little bit with salt. A little bit because we're going to grill the chop, but also we're going to glaze the chop with the soy sauce, honey, garlic, and black pepper. Okay, so I'm going to spray a little bit the chop with olive oil, like this it don't stick. On the grill. So first I'm going to give a nice caramelization, like a nice crust, and after we're going to cook them slowly. Voilà. Most of the time people overcook the pork chop, it's dry. So the key is really to sear the chop. High temperature. And after we're going to go low, sorry. It's exactly like cooking a steak. Hein? So now we're going to finish our honey glaze black pepper. No, honey, garlic, glaze, no. Honey, garlic, black pepper, glaze. One more time, Ludo. Honey, garlic, black pepper, glaze. So that's good, that's what you want with the pork. Sweet and spicy, a good nice glaze. I'm going to boil one more time. So of course we don't use any salt because of the soy sauce. Okay, I'm going to check my pork chop now. So you see, I play a lot with the pork chop. I turn again. I move a lot the pork. Okay, so I'm going to take my glaze. Now you can see it's going to be like a syrupy little bit. The honey become a little bit caramel. Chrissy,
what?
The table is almost set.
We're getting there.
Because the food is almost ready.
Perfect. We will be ready. Perfect.
Where's the flour I buy this morning? Where they are?
Still
You
in the
forgot
car.
that.
Do you have the keys?
Get the flour, please, quick.
Go on.
Thank you.
Messy. Flowers have arrived.
Ah, great. Make sure inside is around 140 Fahrenheit. And keep in mind, let rest the meat 5 minutes. Like this, the blood have time to release from the meat and you make the meat more tender. That's it. So now we're going to slice some peach. Just take some beautiful peach. Just put them a little bit everywhere like that.
You do pretty flowers.
Very nice, huh? Voilà, warm enough.
Boom, I'm ready.
Mais oui, là, voilà.
Jeff, are you eating with us today?
Just meet you guys.
No, and Grace is coming. Come on.
So I decided to share the meal with Grace. She worked a lot, and with Jeff also, who's the producer of the show, and Chrissy, my wife. We have a beautiful table dress with some nice flower. So it was great to sit down with them and sharing a little thing about life and not just walking. The pork chop glaze à la Ludo.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so good. Wow.
Wow.
It smells so good. Let's taste his work, though. Oh my God.
Oh wow. I love that glaze though.
Ouais.
Yeah, forget about pork chop.
Bon, bah c'était très bon.
Oui.
Merci. Merci de sit down 5 minutes with me, guys. Merci. You like the honey garlic glaze pork chop with fresh fish? You like it?
It's really good.
Good, huh? It's good,
Thank
huh?
you,
Actually.
Chef.
So good.
It's very good. You should
So
try that
good.
at home, guys. Honey garlic glaze.